When I meet with clients and explain how the process is going to work, I explain that there's basically two stages of a case. The first is the pre-litigation stage. That just means there's no lawsuit involved. There's no court filing, there's no court dates, there's no formal process involved. It's all before that happens. Pre-litigation is from the moment we meet with you and we get all the facts of the accident. We find out what your injuries are. We start investigating the case, obtaining police reports, photographs of any damage, photographs of the scene of the accident, photographs of your injuries. We request records and reports and bills if there's an ambulance, an emergency hospital, treating doctors, and we follow that through the course of the pre-litigation to make sure that it's complete and thorough. During this pre-litigation process, we're doing background checks on the defendant, DMV checks, background on property to know who we're dealing with, and we're verifying the other party's insurance. It's critical in a personal injury case to know whether or not the other party has insurance. 95% of all people do have insurance, and that's the collectible source that pays the compensation at the end. So during this pre-litigation phase, we verify all of the insurance, we verify the limits of liability coverage, and we put them on notice of the claim. During this process, we're following the injury, keeping the insurance company abreast of what's going on, and ultimately requesting and receiving all the final records, reports, and bills so that we can put together a package for the insurance company with our demand for settlement after we've completed our evaluation so that we can negotiate a fair and reasonable settlement for you. That's pre-litigation.